Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and credentials. Make sure the Quest is charged and you know the Meta account email. Once ready, open the Meta Quest mobile app or put on the headset and go directly to Settings, then Accounts or Security. You do this because the PIN is stored in your account settings and is the control point for purchase locks and access. Now choose the option to set or manage a PIN so you can create your code in the next step. Once in Security, choose Set or Change PIN and follow the prompts. You will type a 4-digit code and then re-enter it to confirm. This double entry prevents typos. If changing, you may need your current PIN or account password first, so make sure you're signed in. After confirming, enable related options like a purchase lock or auto lock timer so the PIN is required for buys. These steps prevent accidental purchases and secure your profile when finally, confirm the change and test it by locking the headset or signing out then back in to trigger the PIN prompt. Make sure purchases and account access require the code so you know it works. If you forget the PIN, use the Meta Quest mobile app or Meta account recovery on the web to reset it. This preserves content. If recovery fails, a factory reset will remove the PIN but erase local data, so only use that as a last resort and backup first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.